ठाकुर। मैं कक्षा दूसरी में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ झांसी की रानी के बारे में। झांसी की रानी का जन्म 19 नवंबर 1800 में हुआ था। झांसी की रानी का बचपन का नाम मणिकर्णिका था। झांसी की रानी का पिताजी का नाम मोरोपंत तांबे था। झांसी की रानी के माता का नाम भागीरथी था। धन्यवाद।
थोड़ा माइक के पीछे खड़े रहो बेटा।
माइक की जाओ, पीछे जाओ। हाँ यस।
मैं अपने झांसी का मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। धन्यवाद।
माइक के पीछे जाओ, छोड़ दो माइक, हाथ मत लगाओ। हाँ
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ बेटा।
मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। धन्यवाद। Morning everyone, my name is Rigvi from class 2nd. Morning everyone, my name is Raju Ramrao Kadam from grade 2. Today I become चाचा नेहरू। आराम हराम है, आज के बच्चे ही कल का भारत बना सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। Good morning everyone. My name is Krisa Ganesh Kharate from grade 2. Savitribai Phule. मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी।
Keep upside. Sword.
मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। AGM sir, principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, my name is Ananya. Today is 26 January. We are celebrating 77th Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of our India. On this day is the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution and my dear friends, my name is Ananya. Today is 26 January. We are celebrating 77th Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of our India. On this day is the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Our Constitution is the supreme law of India. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace, love and unity. I am proud to be Indian. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. My name is Samanyu Pushatama Chongwal. Today we are here to celebrate our Republic Day. India was its constitution on 26 January 1950. Our constitution makes India sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Our constitution believes in liberty, justice, equality and fraternity. These values make India great and strong. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a nice day.
वेरी गुड।
Good morning
सामने
everyone.
सामने आओ, सामने।
Good morning everyone. My name is Inaya Sheikh. I am studying in class IK2. Today we are celebrating the 77th Republic Day of India. On this day our country got its constitution. We love our India and respect our national flag. Let us be good citizens and make our country proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for listening me. Hope you like it. Have a nice day. My school name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Panna Road. आन देश की शान, देश की हम संतान है। 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा भारत की ये पहचान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Every program has its aims likewise here. I request Kavita Mays for vote of thanks.
खड़े रहे, खड़े रहे।
Respected Shivkumar, Annadanam Shivkumar, AGM sir, Dean Mangesh sir, my dear teachers, my dear parents, those who are present over here, and but obvious, my little birds, students of Sri Chaitanya Technical School. As you all are knowing that today we have gathered over here to celebrate 77th Republic Day. Why we are here? Because of our great leader Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Rao. Because of him today we are in unity, and whatever rule regulation he has given for our country we have to follow with a proper way. And the second thing I request ki education is the important part. Why it is important? Because we have to follow each and everything. With this we have to follow the rule, whatever rule he has written in constitution we have to follow, and we have to we have to follow with the proper dignity and discipline and with the hard work. So I request all the students, so whatever he has written, he has not written this constitution alone. With him many people has participated while writing the constitution. So whatever rule regulation he has given for our India, this is the pride moment. With a very hard work, whatever my children has performed today, dance, song, speech, it was really wonderful performance. And the teachers, those who have taken effort for making this day successful, congratulations to my all teachers, my all students, those who have done very beautiful program today. And happy Republic Day to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.
Implemented by Indian government in 26 January. It is drafted committee established on 26 November 49 sorry. So we have already celebrated the Constitution Day. You know that? So as you know that, but India got the freedom from the British Empire in 15 August 1947. But actually we got our Constitution, so it makes us Republic India. It means it provides us the humanity and all laws which are gives us that so many rights and even though so many duties that stated in our constitution. And that constitution, this constitution leads us, so this